Right, I was looking for the nighttime settings on my camera. I can't find it. It is Valentine's Day. It is our last day on Koh Chang, and we are going to go and watch a fire show, get a few drinks, because we're going to be up early in the morning and heading back. So, cut to me watching a fire show. I will probably play music over the top of it because obviously the copyright on YouTube sucks, but never mind. There's always a way around it, and Jam.thebam always finds a way. Lot of comments this time. A lot of people being nasty on the comments and whatnot. But you know, song, I've always said it, man. Jam.thebam does not phase easy. He does not care what stupid people say about him. He does not give a damn. Anyway, cut to me at a fire show. I'll tell you something though, that place isn't really up to much, but that host, Pancake, he's really good. He goes to shop and everything for you. Get ice, you know, ice, cigarettes, Coca-Cola, beer, whatever you want, man. He goes to shop for you. Sure, Mimi? Ah, Pancake, good?
Yeah,
Good host, number one.
yeah.
I still can't figure out these dark settings on my bloody camera, like. So yeah, it's a bit of a walk down the road, but it's not far to the beach here. We are off the beach because obviously it's more expensive to be.
Where fire show?
Fire show's next to Alan's place. Okay, we go and see fire show together, and then we go different. We go back to room. Okay. Are you hungry again? No. No. Okay. Koh Chang's been brilliant though, people. It's just, I reckon you're going to need more than a week here, to be fair. It's going to be like a week and a half if you want to see and do everything. You're a budget holiday maker coming to the islands. There is budget ways to do this, but, you know, I sort of try my best to show you what's available at the time of recording, places I stay and stuff like that. It's not going to always be for everybody, to be honest with you. And that's just an honest truth fact, like, you know. I mean, I had a big spider in my room the other day. She had to kill it. So that was I was pretty scared, to be honest. But yeah, she took care of it, killed it. There's all sorts of lady bars and that down that way, if that's what you're into. They do have them here. Pretty much got them everywhere. Not everywhere, most places I'd say actually. Yeah. Yeah, like I was saying, it's got plenty here. Lots of things here, right? Lots of things here to do. That was a street food market, so you even got them as well. Like, you get them everywhere. And you know that. But yeah, just go down here, check out this fire show. I've all probably seen one, right, you know. But we don't want to push it too hard on the This is supposed to be my holiday as well, like, you know, as well as vlogging as well. I kind of sometimes think to myself, the whole vlogging process and that, everybody's sarcasm and cheek towards me, sometimes I think to myself, what am I doing, like, but I ain't gonna stop. These people don't bother me at all. These people have got small brains. I know I work hard in my life to come to places like this. It's just the way it is, like. It's hot. So it turns out we missed the fire show, but we will get there eventually. They're coming back round, so a bit further up at about 8:50, is that right, up there? 7:50. 7:50. There we go. So we just got to chill out at the beach, have a beer.
Yeah, I'm sure again.
There's bars all the way up and down here, restaurants all the way up and down as well. So you could pretty much spend all your time on the beach, to be fair. There's plenty of bars, plenty of nightlife on the beach. There is a nightclub here in Koh Chang. One, I believe. I've not went, no interest in that stuff anymore. And like I said before, there's a heap of lady bars here as well. It's like a small beer garden sort of complex that you get in Pattaya, you know, but that's obviously gone now. I think there's still a few bars there, but if that's what you're into, that's what you're into, like, so. Realise there's no zoom on this when it's on nighttime mode. That's a bit of a letdown, like, you know what I mean? But I'll try to march on to get to this fire show because I missed the last one. There's heaps of bars and that everywhere up and down here, like, you know. Oh. They bloody did. Oh, heat off that. Everybody seems happy anyway. Koh Chang finished home tomorrow. Good?
Yes.
Yeah. Koh Chang number 1 now, right?
Yes.
Koh Kood number 2.
Yes.
Koh Samet number 3. Koh Lan number 4.
Yeah.
There you go, people. The verdict has changed again. I've been so busy doing editing and vlogging over this past couple of weeks. It's sort of been a bit hard going, to be honest with you, so some of the comments and that have been really nasty. People either mad opinions of me when they've never met me in real life, you know. It's absolutely mental how somebody can judge somebody just by the way they look, you know. But that's up to them. I'm enjoying life, people. I've got to keep on enjoying it, and I've got to keep on vlogging. And fuck these motherfuckers, right? Who gives a fuck?
Okay. Ada live.
Alright, handing that to you.
Mango colada.
Thank you.
Ấy thêm, action.
这哥们儿这头型太帅了。
Typical. Bloody typical. I can see why.
What are you doing? Are you nearly finished? Turn me off that baby then.
One of them kebabs yesterday, it was brilliant like that. Good, huh? Good.
Hả?
Okay, okay. You want?
Alright, how many?
Smaller one.
Wasabi
Big, smaller one now.
เซมราคาเท่ากันแล้วบอกค่ะ
อะไรนะคะเท่ากันค่ะ
เซม
นี่ละ200จ้ะ
Okay.
อันนี้ค่ะ
วาซาบินะคะ
ซีฟู้ดอันนี้เหรอโอเค
แล้วก็มาเป็นยำ
It's funny that because we were just talking to my mate about going to a Thai restaurant. Does pizzas as well. Come across here, she spies Thai food and she's away with the seafood already, man. He says he bet me 20 quid, but I says I'm not willing to lose that money, like. That she would stop for some food. Wow.
salad, so good.
Ah,
But look,
chicken, huh?
you want?
No.
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to 40 baht for a cooked
You
chicken?
want any, meh?
I okay, I eat already today,
Okay. But you want I eat for you?
Oh, I okay, I okay.
มันบดใส่อะไร
I
เอ้ย
eat,
มันเผาใส่อะไร
I eat already today.
แมงดา
It's a horseshoe crab.
Yeah.
Never heard
พู
of
ดนะ
it. Good?
Yeah.
Never heard of a horseshoe crab before, people. This is strong, by the way. She's got to be bashed. You got to be mouth, huh?
ไม่รู้มั้ง
It will be once you finish that.
แต่เมื่อวาน
It's strong.
โรยเกลือค่ะ
Oh, yeah. Okay. You have tissue?
เรามีทิชชู่ไหมคะขอนิดนึงขอบคุณค่ะโอเค
Spilled all over ourselves there, Mo.
มา
Mo now, huh?
เอามาให้นี่
That's my mod.
เย่โอเค
I just bought you that.
you want อันนี้ไหม
Me okay, yeah.
Stay here for pancake long time นะ
Okay.
but tonight tomorrow go home not fishy but you want come back you talk me นะ
Okay.
me talk pancake for room
Yeah, but I check online first.
she talk me but
Said they give me it for cheaper, but
yeah she
I want-
will talk to she 100 1,800 yeah, but you book 2,000
you see, I check my booking.com first.
okay
Could be alright, like. I doubt he is, like, you know. Seems like a nice enough guy.
let's go
He's definitely a good host. Accommodation, well. I know I've been sleeping in the farmlands, Sigel, so I'm kind of used to it, people. And in Sigel, we don't even have AC, to be fair. Only problem I had in the whole place is that there was a massive spider climbing up my wall, but me took it out with a book. Because I'm too much of a... Oh, Jesus, it's come up with me, that. Oh.
คูนะคูไหม
No, cool now. It really hit the back of my throat, that. Wow. Jesus. Yeah, she took it out with a book because I'm too much of a scaredy cat to tackle massive spiders. Like, she says it's just a little bit. Believe me, it was some size, like. Anyway, guys, peace, love, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with family and friends, or whatever you want to do. Stop me leaving bad comments. I just can't be done with it anymore, you know. It doesn't bother me in the slightest, that's the thing, you know. Just wasting your bloody time, if anything else. Don't like something, move on to the next channel. See you later.
Look, all we do